The drone market has exploded in recent years, offering incredible features at increasingly budget-friendly prices. Whether you're a first-time flyer, hobbyist videographer, or tech-savvy teen, finding the best drone under $100 is now easier than ever. In this guide, we evaluate top-rated options based on camera quality, flight stability, intelligent features, and overall value. These drones deliver big performance without breaking the bank. List number: Holystone HS900 drone with camera for adults. The Holystone HS900 punches well above its weight class. Despite being under $100, it boasts an impressive 3-axis gimbal, 8K photo resolution, and 4K 30fps video capability. Its 20,000 feet transmission range is exceptional for its class, rivaling drones double its price. Beginners will appreciate smart features like Follow Me, quick shots, visual tracking, and smart return, perfect for filming on the move. Its brushless motors ensure quieter, more efficient flight with reduced maintenance. The drone also folds compactly, making it portable and ideal for travelers or outdoor enthusiasts. The intuitive app interface and GPS stability make piloting a breeze, even for first-timers. For those who want cinematic footage on a budget, the HS900 delivers premium features without the premium price. List number: Ruko U11 Mini 4K drone with 3-axis gimbal. The Ruko U11 Mini stands out for its under 249 grams weight, making it registration-free in most regions. Despite its small size, it captures stunning 8K photos and 4K 30fps video. Stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal with EIS. With a 20,000 feet digital transmission, this drone offers excellent control and crisp live feed visuals. Its foldable design and pocket-friendly size make it ideal for spontaneous adventures. Built with GPS-assisted flight and multiple safety features like auto-return, the U11 Mini also has intelligent modes like Follow Me, orbit mode, and waypoint navigation. It's a solid pick for casual flyers looking for quality footage without complications. List 3. N11 Pro GPS drone with 90-minute flight time. If long flight time is a priority, the N11 Pro is a true standout. With up to 90 minutes of flight time using dual batteries, it's perfect for extended shoots or exploration. The 4K UHD camera offers decent footage for social sharing and vlogging. The GPS navigation, Follow Me, and Return Home functions simplify control, while its 5G FPV capability ensures smooth, real-time video. Equipped with a brushless motor, the drone is both durable and quieter during operation. Its user-friendly remote and app interface make it suitable for beginners while still offering enough power for advanced users to enjoy. List number: Ruko U11 Mini variant with 70-min flight and GPS. This alternate version of the Ruko U11 Mini offers a slightly different spec set, ideal for beginners. It maintains the under 250 gram classification and delivers 70 minutes of flight time across 2 batteries. Its 4K camera is paired with GPS and TOF sensors for smoother hovering and precise landings. With a 9,800 feet control range, it's a bit less expansive than the premium model, but offers reliable connectivity and stability. The one-touch auto return and beginner flight modes ensure hassle-free flying. Compact, responsive, and well-balanced for casual users. This version trades a bit of range for easier control and quicker learning. List number: Chuburi A77 long-range drone with 84 mins flight. The Chuburi A77 is a hidden gem in the under $100 range. With a staggering 84-minute flight time and 2,650 feet control range, it's engineered for endurance. The drone is equipped with a 4K HD camera, perfect for capturing aerial content on a budget. Although it lacks a mechanical gimbal, its Wi-Fi FPV system provides live streaming capabilities to your smartphone. The brushless motors boost performance and lifespan, and the compact build makes it great for on-the-go flights. While it doesn't compete with top-tier image stabilization, its long runtime and ease of use make it an excellent pick for beginners and kids.